Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure Google Maps navigation on Xiaomi Watch 5. So first of all, of course, we're gonna have to link our Xiaomi Watch 5 to the Android smartphone that we're using with it. Then make sure that you have given this application all the permissions that it asked you for. If you didn't, this app will also have this huge notification about this in this menu. And if you're struggling to give this app any additional notifications, just return to the apps menu, hold your finger down on this application, then tap Info, and then go to App Permissions, and in this menu just give it all the permissions that it asks you for if you want full integrity with your smartwatch. And also in other permissions, make sure to give it the service SMS, open new windows while running in the background, and display pop-up windows too. Okay, now in order to use our device, our Google Maps on both the smartphone to basically set the route, and the watch to be more precise about where we have to go right now, and to be more precise about directions, basically just open the maps on your smartphone and then set a destination. For example, let's select Eiffel Tower. Directions, of course, on foot, and then let's choose a start location, my location, and let's wait for the app to find the best route. It's gonna take us 13 days, so let's tap start, and right now we can continue our journey on the smartwatch. So all we have to do is make sure that the devices are connected to each other, and as you can see they are. Go to Maps, Application, and then select our currently traced route. And here we'll see the directions, so the precise direction, where we have to go, where we have to take a turn. And then we'll also be able to preview the full route in here. And besides, to make this journey more convenient for us, we can also download the offline maps. So if you lose the directions, you'll be able to check the offline maps on your watch. To do that, we're gonna have to go to the device section once again. Then we're gonna have to go to Fitness and Health, manage offline maps, and then select regions, and then select your country here. And the offline maps, unfortunately, at least for Poland, not all the pretty much. No, okay, everything is available right now. So yeah, so just download your map by tapping download next to it. This app is pretty laggy, so don't worry, it's gonna start downloading. It's just not immediate. And yeah, and once you have downloaded the map, it will show in the maps menu in here, and you'll be able to synchronize the data with your watch by tapping sync right here, and the offline map will be downloaded straight on your watch. And so yeah, that's pretty much how you use the Google Maps on your Xiaomi Watch 5. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.